right, people, we have American Resources Corp. And people, I'm liking them. I'm liking them a lot. And they're on a high. I thought they were going to go back down, but they have not. Now, we want to know, what does American Resources do? Because some people on X are saying it's a garbage company. And then other people are saying it is not. And I'm starting to be inclined to think this, you guys, I don't think this is a garbage company. I mean, they have had some struggles, that's for sure. But it's a new day, a new dawn, and China hates us. They're powered by re-element process, a patented chromatographic separation technology to refine rare earth elements, REs, and critical minerals. This to high purity levels. That's what you need from recycled materials, mining waste, and ores. Recent advancements include daily production of magnet-grade rare earth oxides and scalable modular refining. Focuses on recycling the lithium, end-of-life materials. End-of-life materials, that sounds kind of crazy. Engages in extraction, processing, transportation, and distribution of metallurgical coal, targeting the steel industry with efficient mining techniques with its 30,000 acres of controlled properties. I think this, people, now, here was their 2024. Total revenue of $16.76 million. And reflecting its operation in coal sales. There, coal sealer. But that, you could say, coal's clean now. So you have the revenue. So, it wasn't explicitly detailed in this one that I put in. And it suggested modest growth. Let me find the... All right, now we have our unofficial one. We have Q2. Indicate revenue 7.7. This was a decrease from their last quarter. But like I said, they're doing some things. And here's their potential. The revenue, AIC's coal sale, relevance, emerging refining operation. And then here is the things that they have going. The subsidiary's long-term supply agreement with Vulcan, deep sea nodule refining with impossible metals, and 150 bond offering for a Kentucky lithium refining facility indicates scalability. If ReElement processes 2,000 metric tons of recycled materials annually and secures additional defense contracts. That's what we're looking at, people. That could really give us something here. Revenue could reach 50 to 100 million annually within 3 to 5 years. The global rare earth market projected to grow 7 billion in 2023 to over 15 billion by 2030. AREC's domestic focus could capture a small share, potentially adding 2050. These are potential. The coal and recycling, the metallurgical coal sales, and battery could contribute 10 to 20. But we shall see, because their current revenue, 31 million, reflects modest growth. With quarter two, 7.7 showed the quarterly decline. But their platform offers a competitive advantage with its versatility and domestic focus, but the net loss highlights ongoing investment costs. So, of course, they aren't there yet, but I could say things that could happen with AREC could be big, people. Could be big. And I also put AREC in my family members account there. Wait a second. So he's now holding the 50 shares of AREC, and it's up 52%. And then he also has the MBOT, up 142. God, I wish he had more fucking MBOT over Humusite. Why didn't I balance this out? If I would have balanced his Humusite with his MBOT, or told him to, because I didn't know exactly what this person was, I didn't know what he was buying. He has so many shares of Humusite. But Humusite, I do believe, people, that Humusite will have its day. But in the meantime, now I've got to try to make him up some money back, okay? So I'm trying to do that with AREC, and of course I'm trying to do it with ONDS. And I have his ONDS call there. The ONDS call is rising. People, I'm going to hold this ONDS call. I don't think ONDS is going to, I'm sure they're going to drop, because they're certainly having a day. They are having a day, people, because they did have some more news just with their technology thing and with that. This was the ONDS news today. I don't know, maybe I should sell that call on today, but I feel like the fact that it didn't drop ONDS, they didn't have a big shoot and then a drop. So this is just becoming an everyday occurrence, these types of ONDS news. Where's the article? There it is. Okay, what is this going to be? This is that Safe Pro. Safe Pro, that was the stuff I did yesterday. SPAI. I have a video on Safe Pro. Man, This announced it has entered a memorandum of understanding with ONDS and Unusual Machines, leaders in the drone. Under the MOU, the company will seek collaboration on the development and integration of companies' patented AI-powered drone imagery analysis and computer vision technologies and their respective hardware and software offerings. This includes companies' patent-safe object threat detection technology, which is designed to rapidly detect over 150 kinds of small, hard-to-spot threats, including landmines, anti-personnel mines, cluster munitions, and unexploded ordnances. Well, that would be excellent. Nobody likes unexploded ordnances sitting around. But ONS people, I'm holding that call. I'm going to hold the ONS call. I'm going to see where it goes. Because now I've already gotten him $100 more. And that, he definitely needs it. Wait, $50 more. So I bought this one for $50, and now it's at $100. And this RGTI. RGTI. I'm not really worried about quantum. They go up and down. Stupid fucking quantum. Today's a down day for the quantum, but it just takes one little thing, and all the quantum shoots. So going into September, I actually kind of like quantum being down a few more days, because then a shoot is more likely. So quantum news will come. Not worried about that call at all. I'm going to make him some extra money on that call, which will be nice. And I'm definitely going to make him some extra money, God willing, on the ONS call. So people, things I'm liking, ONS. And I'm liking AREC for that rare earth. And also, this going down, Wolf will probably go down a lot more. Oh my God, I think it will. But I luckily sold off some of his Wolf, and now I don't mind so much if it's going to go down. But I will be buying more Wolf. I think Wolf probably getting back down to their... Do we think Wolf gets down to $5 levels? Probably, because that's kind of similar to how we saw APLD or NVTS. Damn, APLD does well. This would have been APLD prior to that CoreWeave thing, right? Their big CoreWeave investment shot them up like crazy. And then APLD went back down around to the $9 range, which they didn't go back to the $8 range. So I guess I'll figure out what range of buying would look nice for Wolf. And then you also have another kind of tech player, NVTS. I'd like to get him an NVTS option. Should we? I'm sure they'll have news soon. People do say, do we think NVTS goes back up this week? That's a bet. That's a betteroni and cheese, I call it. I don't think I can buy him options, actually. A $50 one for mid-September could look mighty nice. A $40 one for September 12th. What do you guys think? I fucking love odds. If this is... What would we say? Do we think NVTS, they had a bad week? They had a bad month. But they have not had a bad quarter. I am almost going to be thinking about this a little bit harder. I think a NVTS call could be an interesting little addition to his stuff, but I don't know if I'm able to buy this. I don't know. Do I want to do NVTS? Because it could also fail. So I might... But they've been down a while. A month now. I feel like NVTS should get some news soon. And when they do get that news, they could shoot. So I'm going to be thinking. I'm going to think about a call, and I'll figure it out by tomorrow.